Pradam friends, actually I am Subjit calling from Indian and West Bengal. Actually, this is situation is very hard in this world, and coronavirus is affected how much people in the world. So in Calcutta, our coronavirus attacking how much persons, and any people lost their more people lost their work. So this time is very difficult situation for our earning member in Calcutta, but we have an idea and great opportunity is Modi Care business. Modi Care is the easy business in this world. We feeling it because a simple person can doing well and can be richest person from this work. This is networking market, and networking market business is the easy business of this world. I thought body care is easy business. This is you can not investing any how much money for Modi Care. Simple investing, only simple investing. This is grocery items and cosmetics item. Your family need how much product you can purchasing from this company. After that, you joining any person, I may be right, mean how much person you can join in, and you getting a commission from their that person which will be your downline. They purchasing you, if they will done purchasing, and you got a commission, how big handsome commission you will got and earn lot of money. But you not need necessary any shop. You not necessary any shop. What is your shop? You talking your shop. If you talking anybody, any person you can talking, maybe it doctor, engineer, woodpecker, lawyer, students, any persons, you can contact with them for business purpose your Modi Care, for impressing your company. If they join that your company, after that people will getting a lot of money. So but done seriously, this is not difficult word, this is easy word, because sales is the things easy things in the world. And sales person are people, which person doing better sales, he can richest person very quickly, very quickly. Okay, so friends, this is Modi Care, and Modi Care is Indian company, and Samir Modi is very good reputed. Samir Modi have how much business, and this company network market company. Which company you will join? You will join best company, which company getting you good commission. Modi Care is above 20 years company, old company, 20 years old company. I mean, they getting done a very good commission in. So I thought that Indians, Indies, not whole world and whole state, we within Indian state peoples, they are a best opportunity. You can join Modi Care, because Modi Care product is very well. You can using Modi Care soap, you can using Modi Care cold pressed kachi ghani oil, and you can using rice bean oil, and you can using cosmetics products, soap, and agriculture product. Modi Care is made and made in future. They will making and how much product. So I requested any body in India, not in my any world, any mothers, sisters, brothers, any professional person. I requested any professional person not doing weight, because if you do not will join this time, another person will join, and he will be richest person. So Any seriously person contact with us and coming with us because product is very good product and this is networking marketing company. You can facing here not right hand left hand situation, right hand left hand situation downline only one hand. If the one hand working done well, you can getting commission, not difficult, very easy concept. So we requested from anybody in Indian and world, please join. Product is or very fantastic product. If you can using Modi Care product, you will getting very better feelings. You will getting very better feelings because product is very well. Product is very well. You can comparing any product in India company. Yeah, we will getting demo. We will get a demo. What is the difference between others companies product and Modi Care product? We will getting challenge. Modi Care is the best product in India this time. Modi Care doing people best and not very largest price because product is good and quality is limit in middle class family. So don't be a late, and as soon as possible you will join in Modi Care. Thanks Pranam.
Okay. Please subscribe my channel, Tech Sudipto, and like and comment. Thank you.